The Grande Coupon Builder offers you the ability to create mock-ups of coupons to gauge their potential performance based on the price and cost to make. Tap on the plus icon in the bottom right to create a new coupon. At the top, you will see the coupon dashboard. At the very top, you will see the cost of all menu items included in this coupon, where it says this coupon costs $0 to make. Below that, you will see the dashboard split into two sections. To the left, you will see the performance of the coupon based on the price that you will set below. You will see the discount, gross profit, and the food cost of the coupon based on this price. To the right, you will see the performance based on the food cost target that you will set for the coupon below. You will see the discount, gross profit, and the suggested price for the coupon in order to achieve your food cost target. Let's build out a sample coupon for a bundle. First, we will give the coupon a name, Pizza and Knots. Then, an optional description, a bundle of a large pizza and garlic knots. Next, we'll select a coupon category. This is optional, but will help you stay organized. This one is a bundle. Select the menu items included, large pepperoni pizza and garlic knots. To delete a menu item, just swipe left. If you don't want to delete, just swipe right to go back. You can use the quantity buttons to the right to adjust the number of items included in this coupon. We will include one of each. We will enter a target food cost of 30%. We will set the price at $15. Now, scroll to the top to see the performance of the coupon. At the very top, we'll see that this coupon costs $4.68 to make. On the left, we see that if we charge $15 for this coupon, the discount will be $6.99. The gross profit will be $10.32, and the food cost will be 31.18%. On the right, we see that if we want to achieve the 30% food cost target, we will need to charge $15.60, giving us a gross profit of $10.92 and a discount of $6.39. All of this information is intended to assist you in understanding the cost of all the menu items going into the coupon and to help you determine a good price point that will suit both the customer and your business. Just tap Save if you want to keep this coupon.